how to log in to Arizona D2L. So if you want to log into your Arizona D2L, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Arizona D2L login. And once you've searched, here you will have University of Arizona D2L, which is desired to learn. Click on that. Now you can go for non-UA Net ID login or federated login. So I'll be choosing the first option. And now to log in, first you need to enter your username on the first blank and then your password on the next blank. And after entering your username and your password, you can simply click on login. And once you click on login, if your information is correct, like your username and your password, if it's correct, then it will log you into your account without any delay. So that's it. That's how you log into your University of Arizona account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.